Hello, my name is Mansi M. Gupta and I am currently studying in VNIT Nagpur in second year of Metallurgy and Materials Engineering Department.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai Shiva. I'm studying chemical engineering in VNIT Nagpur.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saitran Malayala. This is the 6th episode of College Review series. In the last 5 episodes, I have given college reviews of NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal, NIT Rourkela, NIT Warangal, NIT Calicut. Those who didn't watch them, please go and watch. I will upload the links in the IT app and give a big thumbs up to them. In this episode, I am going to give the college review of NIT Nagpur, which is also called as VNIT Nagpur, Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Well, same like previous episodes, in this episode also I am going to show you 3 parts, wherein first part will be the campus tour or the college aerial view. In the second part, I will going to show you full details of the campus regarding placements, fee structure, seat matrix, infrastructure, hostels, everything about the campus will be shown in the second part. And in the third part, freshers experience of that college, like freshers experience of NIT Nagpur. And without taking much time, let's get into the presentation. Coming to second part of the presentation, Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, South Ambazari Road, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440010. It is established in the year 1960. If we see about the rankings of NIT Nagpur, it has ranked 27 in engineering category according to NIRF 2020 and in between 101 to 150 in overall category of NIRF 2020. According to Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements in 2020, it has ranked in the range 11 to 25. If we talk about the connectivity to NIT Nagpur, its modes of transportation to NIT Nagpur, nearest bus stand is Nagpur bus stand, which is 5.8 kilometers from the campus, and the nearest railway station is Nagpur Junction railway station, 7 kilometers from the campus. Nearest airport is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, 8 kilometers from the campus. And modes of admissions through JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSAP counseling. And courses offered by NIT Nagpur are Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering. If you see the seat matrix of NIT Nagpur, total number of seats available in NIT Nagpur are 944. Then coming to cutoffs, here I mentioned general category, gender neutral, female only, category cutoffs, home state and other state wise. If you need your category wise cutoffs, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and watch according to your category. Then coming to fee structure, institution fees is 62,500 per semester and 10,000 as a caution money which is refundable. and 5,500 is a one-time fee. Coming to hostel fees, it is 16,000 for mess. It is per semester, plus for boys 24,000 per sem and girls 23,100 per sem. Talking about the scholarships provided by NIT Nagpur, for the students whose category is SC, ST and PH will get a 100 tuition fee waiver, and for those students, general and OBC students whose family income is less than 1 lakh per annum will get a full remission of their tuition fee, and for those students whose family income is between 1 lakh to 5 lakhs will get 2/3 of the tuition fee as a remission. Then talking about the placements, highest package is 22 lakhs per annum in 2018, and average CSE package is 11 lakhs per annum. Overall average is 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. 130 plus companies will be visiting for the campus placements. 522 jobs offered till 28th June 2020, and in the campus you can maintain a 7.5 plus pointer, which is the safest. And famous companies that visit for campus placements are Amazon, D-Shaw, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Samsung, Maruti Suzuki. And on the left side here you can see the 3 years analysis of placement, number of students placed and number of students graduated. In 2016 and 17, 663 students are graduated. In that 490 students are placed. Same like 2016, 17, 18 season also 663 students are graduated. Out of that 420 students are placed, and in 18-19 season total 678 students are graduated. Out of that 437 students are placed. And this is a graphical form of statistics of 2016 to 17, 17-18, 18-19 seasons placements and graduated students. And you can see the percentage of placements. You can see 16-17 the percentage of placements are 73.91, 17-18 is 63.635, to 18-19 is 64.45. And talking about infrastructure of NIT Nagpur, it has spread across 215 acres. And main thing about this is, like Warangal, it is also inside the city, so that you can explore the outside city as well. And classes, library, labs are spacious and well maintained, and it is a high speed Wi-Fi enabled campus. Coming to sports, cricket, football, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, basketball has there with a sports complex itself. And curriculum is amazing and meet latest technology. Then research facilities are available, and canteen, juice center are available inside the campus. Medical center is available, which is 24/7 open. Then ATM, bank, post office are also available inside the campus. And talking about the hostels, 7 boys hostels are there and 4 girls hostels. And gender ratio is girl is to boys is 1:4. And in first year you will be getting a double sharing room, and from mostly in third year and fourth year you may get single sharing room. Then inside the room you will be getting bed, table, chair, bookshelf, cupboard, and the rooms are spacious and good enough. And it's a common washrooms, and in every room you will be having a LAN ports with high speed internet. And inside the hostel you will be having a common rooms with an LED TV, table tennis and carom. And inside the hostel you will be having a night canteen is also available. And mess food is okay, you can't expect more from a government college. And curfew timing is 10 p.m. for girls. Hangout places in the campus, for chit chatting, mostly these are the things which I have gathered from my friends who are in NIT Nagpur. For chit chat places, they usually sit in these places like hostel block 2 and COP, and outside girls hostel and at library lawn. And coming to canteens in NIT Nagpur inside the campus, Sonubaya canteen and Nescafe, these two are the places which you can hang out with your friends, with chill out, and you can have a good discussions over there. And coming to hangout places outside the campus, food outlets, Chinese center like Pani Puri, Momo, juice points is available outside main gate of the campus. Then Ambazari Lake, which is a very coolest place near to the campus. Cafe Coffee Day, Ice Cream Parlor, Ramtek Temple. And coming to malls, Central, Eternity, Empress Mall. And coming to restaurants, Shami Mehfil and Dawat Mahal. And talking about the fest in NIT Nagpur, Arohi is the annual cultural fest and Axis is the annual technical fest. Speaking about the clubs, there are many clubs available in the NIT Nagpur so that students can excel in extracurricular activities too, like music, dance, robotics, photography, dramatic, and many more. Then faculty are really good, supportive, and highly qualified. And you need to maintain a 75% of strict attendance to attend for end semester exams.
Hello, my name is Mansi M. Gupta and I am currently studying in VNIT Nagpur in second year of Metallurgy and Materials Engineering Department.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai Shiva. I'm studying chemical engineering in VNIT Nagpur.
About the campus environment, VNIT is located in the heart of the city and is well connected through metros, and there are many cafes also nearby where you can easily eat out, and it has a very lush green campus, and you can also do walking inside the campus. It is great for that.
So let us first start with how the campus looks like. We have a very lush green campus, and during the Nagpur monsoons our campus looks even more serene.
So there are two girls hostels, the old one and the new one. So the first year students are now getting the old one with a double occupancy, and from second year to fourth year we are getting the new hostels which have single occupancy. The hostels are very hygienic and they are maintained very well. The security is also taken very seriously in VNIT. The curfew timing is quite strict. It is 8 for first year, 8 o'clock for first year students, and it is 10:30 for second, third and fourth year students in the girls hostel.
Then talking about the life we live in our hostels, it's a very comfortable life. In the first year you usually don't get that much access to Wi-Fi, but the seniors get 24/7 access to Wi-Fi, and the hostels are very clean because it's properly maintained, and it's also very comfortable to live inside the hostel.
Okay, so the mess food, I think so many of you would be wanting to know about the mess food. So the mess food is quite good in VNIT. I wouldn't say it's extremely good, but you can easily manage, and there is also a night canteen in our girls hostel. The night canteen has omelette and juices and Maggie and stuff and chips and chocolates for it, and it is open till 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the night. In the exam times it is a great lifesaver.
Now talking about the mess, which might be a common question if the food is good or not. It's really good food. Mostly the local cuisine, which is Maharashtra cuisine, is being served during the lunch as well as the dinner, and you'll get used to it. It's very spicy, but I think you'll get used to it. That's the common answer. But I think some South Indian food sometimes is also served in the breakfast. But if you still want to eat more, you are free to go outside of the campus and eat in the hotels nearby. The prices are not very high. And then talking about the classes which go on for the first years, usually the classes happen in classroom complex. So it's a separate building, and usually the classes start 15 minutes late, and but yeah, the professors are very good, and the explanation and everything is very fine.
So VNIT has very good sports facilities. There's a very good badminton court that is synthetic, and there's a lawn tennis court. There's a newly constructed football field also that has been inaugurated just last year, and there's a separate ground for basketball and volleyball and kho-kho, and also for cricket.
Now talking about the sports, we have a very nice sports complex where you have been preparing for JEE for the last 2 or 3 years, and you can completely get de-stressed. It's green, and you can play all kinds of sports. It does not matter, football, cricket, volleyball, basketball. You can play all the sports, and it is one of the most crowded places because girls hostel is very near to our sports complex.
About the college fest, there are two college fests, Axis and Arohi. Axis is the technical fest and Arohi is the cultural fest. They are both organized at very good level, but I would rather say that the best event of the year is IG. IG is a 10-day event, and it is called Institute Gathering, where all the departments compete against each other, and it has a plethora of events in it, like around 100 to 110 events take place during IG, and it is the best time I had in my college. Those 10 days are the time when you make the most memories from college.
Like if our college has any cool fests, or what are the things we do for fun after the sessionals or after our exams, usually for relaxations we'll have a cultural fest which is called as Arohi, and we can relax and we can listen to music as well as probably dance a little bit, because very good singers and performers are usually invited on that stage. And also we have a technical fest which is called as Axis, and yeah, it's a very cool fest. You can learn a lot from your seniors as well as people who participate from other colleges as well. And also we have another unique type of fest for entrepreneurs. It's called Consortium, which is organized by the organization Entrepreneurship Cell.
So many of you would want to know about the ragging status in our campus. So our campus is ragging free, and that I truly mean when I say that. So very few instances of ragging can be seen here and there, but they also ask you if you're comfortable or not. If you're not, they'll just leave you. That's not a problem. So yeah, you can rest assured that you won't face ragging in the campus, and they're also mentors to take care of you.
And then coming to the main doubt and the question that a lot of parents might be having, ragging hoti hai ki nahi hai? We are a completely anti-ragging and ragging free campus if you don't go to sports complex, and usually the second years are hanging out with final years and third years, and it's a very joyful environment we have with our seniors. They're almost like our friends, and we can share and talk all of our problems, not only personal but also educational, with them. So I think we have wonderful relationship with our seniors. There is no such ragging or anything. There might be small interactions, but you cannot consider that as ragging. So we are a ragging free campus, and also our placements are very good if you're not from electrical engineering department. Yeah, like you can check the stats on our official website, which is vnit.ac.in. So that's it for this video, and thank you.
Okay, so believe me, you won't regret coming into VNIT Nagpur. It is a very good college, and you would completely enjoy the 4 years of your college. You can go out to so many places. It is so well connected, and there's so many hangout places, so many lakes, and you'll thoroughly enjoy those 4 years of your VNIT Nagpur.
I hope every one of you liked the presentation. If you find this as a time-worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. And I request every one of you to share the video with your friends and the family for those who required it. Want to know more college reviews? Stick around, I will give you more. For that you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video with another genuine review of another college. Until then, take care, bye bye.